Hi class 7 student. Today we are again doing exercise 12.1 question number 3 and 4. Question number 3, identify the numerical coefficient of terms other than constant. We have to find out a term which contain numerical coefficient. Now look at the first question. 5 minus 3t square. This number, this 5 is a constant. So we have not write this number. So this term minus 3t square is the term which contain numerical coefficient. Now minus 3t square, which what is the numerical value here? Minus 3 is the numerical coefficient of this term. Here if you can see that number is also here, but this number, this 5 does not contain any variable, so this is a constant value. This is called constant value, and this term contains the numerical coefficient minus 3. Now come to the next question. 1 plus t square plus t cube. Now this 1 is again constant. The question is asking other than constant, so this one we are not writing. Now t square plus t cube are the terms which contain numerical coefficient. Now t means t is multiplied by what number? T is multiplied with 1. 1 is invisible. 1 we don't write. Suppose we are writing 2, so we don't write 2 multiply 1. If we write t, so we don't write t multiply 1. If you are writing t, it is understood that is multiplied with 1. So t square, what is the coefficient of numerical coefficient? The t square is also 1. T cube, what is the numerical coefficient? It is multiplied with the number 1. Now come to the next question. X plus 2xy plus 3y. These terms have no constant value. This have no constant value, means यहाँ पे there is no any number separately. कोई number अलग से नहीं है. जैसे यहाँ पे 5 था और यहाँ पे 1 था. So here x, this term contains one numerical value. Can you tell me what is the numerical value? Numerical value, this is x is 1 is invisible. We don't write 1 multiplied to something. So here it is 1. The next term is 2xy. This xy is, what is the numerical value here? This is 2. Now 3y, this is the term, 3y is the term, and the numerical coefficient is 3. Come to the next question, 100m and 1000n. So both are, nothing is constant here. So this term also contain numerical coefficient, and this term also contain numerical coefficient. The term 100m, so numerical coefficient is 100. Numerical coefficient means other than the variable. Variable को छोड़ के जो बचता है वो उसका numerical coefficient होता है. ठीक है, this 100 is the numerical coefficient. Now 1000n, there is again, this is the variable and this is the numerical coefficient 1000. Now next question. Here any constant value is there? No constant value is there. This term minus p square q square. P square and q square, it is multiplied by one numerical value. Can you tell me? This is multiplied by 1. It is multiplied by minus 1. Again this term also contain constant coefficient, numerical coefficient 7p cube. What is the numerical coefficient here? 7. Now come to next question 6. This contain coefficient. This term also contain coefficient. This term also contain numerical coefficient 1.2a. Now 1.2 is a term that contain numerical coefficient. Now what is the numerical coefficient? This number 1.2. Now this is 0.8b. This is also a term that contains numerical coefficient. What is the numerical coefficient? 0.8. This is the numerical coefficient. Okay student, now this is question number 4. Fourth have two parts, A part and B part. A part also contain many questions and B part contain also many questions. So we are starting with fourth question and A part. Identify a term which contain x and give the coefficient of x. In this algebraic expression, look here, this algebraic expression y square x plus y. Which terms, the question is asking which term contains x. Now look here, y square plus x and y. Now tell me, which terms is containing y? किस term में x available है? इस term में, इसमें तो नहीं है ना? There is x is not available here. So in this term x is available. So in this term y square x is available. Now he is asking for the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x means इस x को छोड़ के बाकी x किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई है? x किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो रखा है? y स्क्वायर के साथ. The coefficient of x is y square. Coefficient of x is y square. Understood? Means x को छोड़ के बाकी इस टर्म में क्या बचा है, या x किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो रखा है? x y स्क्वायर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो रखा है. The coefficient of x is y square. Now come to the next question. 13y square minus 8yx. Now tell me, in which term the x is available? Which terms contain or available in this x is there? No, there is no x. So in minus 8yx, in this term we are getting x here. So in 8 minus 8yx, x is there. Now coefficient of x means x is multiplied by what number? X is multiplied by minus 8y. Okay, now next is x plus y plus 2. Which term is containing x? Only this term is containing x, only x. And x is multiplied by only 1. 1 is invisible, I told you. We don't write 1x. So 1 is x is multiplied with 1. Now next term question, 5 plus z plus zx. Here is x. Is it x is available? Okay, the fourth part, 5 plus z plus zx. Now which term contain x? This term, only this term contain x. Zx contain x. Now what is the coefficient of x? Means x is multiplied by what? The x is multiplied by z. Now next question, 1 plus x plus xy. Now which terms contain x? This term also containing x and this term is also containing x. So x and xy both are containing x. So the coefficient of x is 1. The coefficient of this x is 1 and the coefficient of x is y here. Okay, the rest part you have to do yourself. Now the B part of this question is identify term which contain y square and give the coefficient of y square. Similarly, in this question we have to find out the terms which contain x. In this question we have to find out the term which contain y square. हमें उस term को find out करना है जिसमें y square है. Now 8 minus x y square. Now which term is containing y square? This term. In this term is containing y square, that is minus x y square is containing y square. Now coefficient of y square means y square is multiplied by what? Y square is multiplied by minus x. The coefficient of y square is minus x. Now next question, 5y square plus 7x. Now which term is containing y square? Only this term is containing y square. 5y square. Now coefficient of y square is 5. Now 2x x square y minus 15x y square plus 7y square. Now these two terms are containing y square. Minus 15x y square is also containing y square and 7y square is also containing y square. The coefficient of y square here is minus 15x and here the coefficient of y square is 7. And rest part you have to do yourself.